Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercedes-Benz is a brand that has long been synonymous with luxury, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. For over a century, the iconic three-pointed star has been at the forefront of automotive engineering, defining what it means to drive in style, comfort, and sophistication. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into why Mercedes-Benz continues to be the gold standard of luxury cars and what sets its vehicles apart from the competition. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply curious about luxury automobiles, this video is for you. 1. The legacy of Mercedes-Benz, a symbol of prestige. Mercedes-Benz isn't just a car brand, it's a symbol of legacy, innovation, and prestige. The company was founded in 1926, and since then, it has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design. From the first ever luxury car, the 1926 Mercedes-Benz Type 760, to the futuristic electric E lineup, Mercedes has built a reputation for producing vehicles that stand the test of time. The brand's legacy is deeply intertwined with excellence, and each new model reflects decades of craftsmanship and precision. 2. World-class craftsmanship and design. One of the defining characteristics of a Mercedes-Benz vehicle is its craftsmanship. Every model is meticulously designed and engineered, using only the finest materials available. Whether it's the supple leather upholstery, handcrafted wood trim, or the soft touch finishes that greet you the moment you step inside, Mercedes-Benz vehicles feel luxurious the moment you sit behind the wheel. The attention to detail is apparent in every aspect of the car. The German automaker's design philosophy marries form with function, ensuring that each vehicle is not only visually stunning but also ergonomically sound and comfortable. From the sleek, aerodynamic lines to the signature grille, the design of a Mercedes exudes sophistication and style. 3. Advanced technology and innovation. When it comes to technology, Mercedes-Benz has always been ahead of the curve. The brand is known for introducing groundbreaking innovations, such as the first ever anti-lock braking system, ABS, and the revolutionary airmatic air suspension. Mercedes continuously strives to integrate the latest tech into their vehicles, ensuring that drivers experience the highest levels of comfort, convenience, and safety. For instance, the MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience System, is a next-level infotainment platform that offers a seamless interface between driver and car, with voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and artificial intelligence. MBUX brings a futuristic touch to the driving experience, enhancing everything from entertainment to navigation. Additionally, Mercedes-Benz is making strides in electrification with its E lineup, offering cutting-edge electric vehicles that combine the performance and luxury the brand is known for with a sustainable, eco-friendly approach. 4. Unmatched performance and driving experience. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are not only luxurious but also deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Whether it's the smooth, effortless ride of a luxury sedan like the S-Class, or the thrilling performance of an AMG sports car, Mercedes vehicles offer a driving experience that few others can match. AMG, Mercedes' performance division, produces some of the most powerful and dynamic vehicles on the road today. These high-performance machines are engineered to provide the ultimate in power, handling, and driving pleasure. For those who demand more, the Mercedes Maybach line offers ultra-luxurious, chauffeur-driven vehicles that define comfort and sophistication. The brand's commitment to performance extends beyond just power, with features like dynamic drive systems, air suspension, and adaptive braking. Every Mercedes-Benz is designed to deliver an exhilarating yet comfortable ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on winding back roads. 5. Exceptional safety features. Mercedes-Benz has always been a leader in automotive safety. The brand's vehicles are equipped with cutting-edge safety features that not only protect occupants but also help prevent accidents. Technologies like Pre-Safe, which detects potential collisions and prepares the vehicle for impact, and Distronic Plus, an advanced adaptive cruise control system, make driving a Mercedes-Benz a safe experience. Mercedes also leads the way in autonomous driving technology. Their Drive Pilot system, a semi-autonomous driving feature, allows the car to take over in certain driving conditions, reducing driver fatigue and improving safety on the road. 6. The iconic Mercedes-Benz models. From the S-Class to the G-Wagon, Mercedes-Benz offers a wide range of models to cater to various tastes and lifestyles. The S-Class, often considered the flagship model, sets the standard for luxury sedans with its lavish interior, powerful engine options, and advanced technology. It's the car that executives and heads of state choose to ride in. For those looking for something more rugged but equally luxurious, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, or G-Wagon, stands out. Originally designed as a military vehicle, the G-Wagon has transformed into a symbol of wealth and status, combining off-road capability with over-the-top luxury and performance. And let's not forget about the lineup of electric vehicles, which merges Mercedes' commitment to sustainability with its tradition of luxury and performance. Whether you're interested in a compact EQB or the flagship EQS, Mercedes-Benz is shaping the future of luxury cars with electric mobility. 7. The Mercedes-Benz ownership experience. Owning a Mercedes-Benz is not just about having a car, it's about being part of an exclusive community. The brand offers exceptional customer service, a premium ownership experience, and a comprehensive range of services, including roadside assistance, vehicle care, and personalized financing options. Mercedes-Benz also boasts a network of high-end dealerships that ensure every interaction is seamless and tailored to meet the needs of discerning customers. In conclusion, Mercedes-Benz stands as a symbol of timeless luxury, performance, and innovation. From its rich heritage to its commitment to technological advancement, every Mercedes-Benz vehicle offers a unique driving experience that blends comfort, elegance, and power. Whether you're looking for a car that embodies sophistication or one that delivers thrilling performance, Mercedes-Benz offers an unparalleled level of craftsmanship and excellence. It's no wonder that, for many, the Mercedes-Benz badge is the ultimate symbol of success and luxury on the road. Call to action. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the world of Mercedes-Benz, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Let us know in the comments which Mercedes model is your dream car, and we'll see you in the next video.